Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have new fidgets in my collection and I am so happy that I got new fidgets. I have a rainbow heart puppet, a glow-in-the-dark puppet, another glow-in-the-dark puppet, a heart puppet that glows in the dark, another glow-in-the-dark puppet, and my last glow-in-the-dark puppet, which is this one. I have a puppet ball that I just recently got. I have another heart puppet. A purple heart puppet. And a tie-dye puppet. And yes, puppets are one of my favorites. I have 3 fidget spinners, Mickey Mouse, another Mickey Mouse one, and the limited edition one. And yes, they do come in different ones. They have Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Stitch, and the limited edition Mickey Mouse. And I do have 2 of the Mickey Mouse ones, this one and the Stitch one. I am still trying to find the Minnie Mouse one. I have 2 monkey noodles. And even though that it don't say on the packaging, but they are scented, like they are. And this pink one smells like strawberries a little bit, like it really do. But that's my own opinion, like with it, that to me, it do smell like it was scented. Even my mom smelled it, and she could smell the scented part too. But in each pack, it comes in pink, green, and blue, and they are my favorite colors. I have pop tubes. I finally got new pop tubes. I believe the last time I even got new pop tubes, it was last year, in 2024. But in this pack, it comes in purple, orange, and pink. And yes, pink and purple are my favorite colors. Orange was my favorite color when I was younger, but it changed to pink and purple. I have 2 of the popping gears. I know I have a few of these already in my collection, but I got 2 more of it. I hope I can find more of these, but in different colors. And last but certainly not least, I have 4 of my favorite. I have 4 needles, like in front of me. I have this big super needle. It comes in 4 different colors that I see in the back. Orange, green, pink, and purple. But I couldn't find the other 3. But all I could find was the pink one. Comment down below if you know that these ones comes in different colors besides those 4 colors. And I found a teeny tiny needle I thought that the small needles do not exist, but it do. It's called Country Needle. And it was only $1 at Five Below. That's why I found this one at. And I got 2 of the shaggy needles. I have a blue one. And I have a purple one. Comment down below which one is your favorite out of the pile. My favorite has to be either all of the fidget spinners or the super needle that I have. I hope that everyone enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. And I really hope that everyone enjoyed this video.